Welcome to Signaling Pakistan, Pakistan's biggest solar company. Solar energy is rapidly becoming a so popular and sustainable source of electricity. But did you know that there are various types of solar panels to choose from? In this video, we will explore the most common types and help you to understand their differences and application as well. Monocrystalline solar panels, their usage and where they are. These solar panels are known for their efficiency and sleek appearance. They are made from single crystalline silicon, which allows them to convert solar to sunlight into electricity very effectively. Monocrystalline panels are ideal for limited space installation where efficiency is a top priority. Second one is polycrystalline solar panels. So unlike monocrystalline panels, these are made up from multiple silicon crystals. While they are slightly less efficient, they are more affordable and still provide a reliable source of solar energy. Polycrystalline panels are an excellent choice for residential applications. Third one is thin film solar panels. Now let's talk about thin film solar panels. These panels are made by depositing a thin layer of semiconductor material onto a substrate such as glass or plastic. Thin film panels are lightweighted and flexible, making them suitable for various applications including backpacks and portable solar chargers. Bifacial solar panels. Another interesting type of solar panel is the bifacial solar panel. These panels can capture sunlight from both sides, making them more efficient, especially when installed in locations with high reflectivity like snow, cold areas or near light colored surfaces. Bifacial panels are a great choice for maximizing energy output. Solar panel installation. We hope you found this information helpful in making an informed decision for your solar panel energy needs. Remember, solar power is not only eco-friendly but also a smart investment for the future. Signaling Pakistan, Pakistan's biggest solar company.